Welcome to Learning Unit number 2. In Learning Unit number 2, we are going to be talking about concepts, models, and theories of health promotion. So at the end of this unit, you're going to be able to better understand and even begin to discuss the relationship between concepts, theories, and models. And you're going to, in the discussion board, apply a community planning model for health promotion. I'm going to walk you through how you're going to do that, of course. So begin by reading chapter 3 and review in your text. So you should have the Health Promotion and Nursing Practice 8th edition by Murdoch, Parsons, and Pender. You should have that textbook. And you're going to also, after reading that, you're going to watch a video that I have created that you are watching right now. That's the one I'm talking about. And there's a few other learning assignments that you're going to have to help you complete the discussion board. Now, and you're going to complete an Institute for Healthcare Improvement module. And the specific module is PS 103, Human Factors and Safety. And you've registered for IHI either last learning unit, so last week or first week of classes, or you've registered in the past and taken other IHI modules, completed them. So you're going to read chapter 3 and you're going to also complete a discussion board posting and submit proof of completing your IHI module. So you're watching this video first. And before I get on to the next video, I wanted to review with you what is community. So we talk about in our readings the concept of community as it applies to promote health. So community on page 64 of your text has been defined by the World Health Organization. And they define community as a collective body, as a body of individuals identified by either geography, where one lives, common interests, concerns, characteristics, or values. So read that over a couple of times in your text, and I'd like you to highlight it. So here at Mercyhurst, you are in the role of student. And both you and myself as a faculty member, we are part of the community being Mercyhurst University. So we are part of Mercyhurst's community. We have similar values. We want education, we honor, we respect, we value education, and we have similar concerns. And within Mercyhurst, we're also a community of nursing students. So in that, we really have similar values. We've been, some of us feel as though we've been called into this profession of nursing, or we're excited to begin or to complete our nursing education program so that we can begin work as a registered nurse. So that's community. And we're going to look at a model of, it's called the Precede-Proceed model. And I had created a video in the past, and I'll tell you, this woman really does a dynamite job. So I really want you to look at and experience this Precede-Proceed model. Now, the model is also within your readings, and there's one picture of the model, but there's actually 2 depictions of the model. And for ease, she goes over it both. But for ease, I also have the 2 different ways of looking at this Precede-Proceed model. And this is one of the depictions, and that's in your book. And there's another depiction as well of the same model, but find the one that you better understand, that is clearer to you, that you can really go, okay, that's helping me out. A model is there to help you out, to best understand a theory. And so this is the precede, proceed, I always say it backwards, model. So look at these two depictions, same model, but two different ways of helping us to see the activity of this model. And then for Unit 2, you're going to do a discussion board post. So as you know, or as according to the syllabus, for full weeks, and now we're in the second learning unit, so we're in a full week, you are going to do two things with discussion boards. First, you're going to post. That means that you're going to create a thread by clicking on Learning Unit 2 discussion board, create a thread, and answer the question that I have put forward for you. And you're going to do that by Thursday evening. So you'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and all day Thursday to complete. The reason I say it's due Thursday evening is that that gives us a chance to read one another's posting prior to having to reply. So if everybody waited until Sunday night, it sure would be difficult to reply to anybody by the end of Sunday night. And believe me, I join you sometimes in procrastination. For those of you who do, wait to the last minute. Not all, but I know this encourages us to complete our work. And then we have the chance to sit back and read through other postings. So again, the question put to you is apply either the precede proceed module, which again is on page 72 to 74 of your textbook, or you can use the social marketing model, which we don't have any other resources on besides the book, but that's on page 78 to 80. So you're going to apply this model to a community health problem that you are interested in. And you're going to outline the various activities and assessments you would complete related to this problem and devise a plan of action based on your findings. So another way of saying this is plan a change that impacts on the health of a community and where they live, work, or play. So a community, we've already talked about how we are Mercyhurst, part of a Mercyhurst community. But a community can be specific, such as a community of elders who reside in a specific senior apartment complex. Maybe we're talking about fourth grade students in Fairview Elementary School. So we talk about, so then we're going to look at what is a health problem in this community. So in the community of fourth graders at Fairview Elementary School, what is a health problem that is frequently seen that you could apply the precede proceed model or the social marketing model to that issue? So perhaps it's mental health of these fourth graders after going through COVID. We know that mental health issues and that perhaps they need to develop more coping abilities. So you're going to create something that's interesting to you, and you're going to plan a change for a specific community. You're going to plan a change to promote health in that community. So take a minute, think through it as you do your reading. That's why I asked you to watch this video first. I think you'll better understand. Doesn't have to be perfect. I want you to start thinking because we will be doing group work that includes a health promotion project that will be introduced next week. So this is your first chance to kind of get into it and start looking at both communities and models for health promotion. The last thing you're going to do is go to the IHI Open School and you're going to complete module PS 103. So if I click on this link here, that brings you to the tool tab that's on the left hand side. You've already gone to it and you know that you're registered for it. So this is the Dropbox. So you're going to click in here and upload your document. The IHI School, Open School, will provide you with a certificate. If you're having a hard time figuring out how to get the certificate upon completion, not the full basic certificate, but the completion that just shows that you completed PS 103, you can also do a screenshot because there's going to be a message come up saying that you've completed that. So that's where you're going to demonstrate proof of completion of PS 103. So you've already been in here to register the course. So you've been here to register. So now you're going to go back to the web link. You're going to sign in and it takes you to a screen. So it says, hello, Judith Stanley here. Welcome to the IHI Learning. The best way that I think to find our specific modules is go to the Browse Catalog and simply put in PS 103 and search. That will come up, to you, and you will be able to access and complete that. So I'm not going to do it right now because I have already completed PS 103, and but that will come up as soon as I click on to search. So that is going to be our course for this week. So again, you're watching this video, you're reading chapter 3, then you're going to be reviewing the precede-proceed model, and the video does a great job with that. You have resources to really look at the clear depictions, the two ways of looking at this precede-proceed module or model. And then you're going to do your discussion board post. By Thursday, you're going to reply to your peers by Sunday, and you're going to complete the IHI module. It seems like a lot, but when you get into it, I have timed all these different activities, and it is similar to the 3 hours of classes that you go to, and you know that in addition to your classes, there is work that prepares you for the class, and that's your readings. And then there's also assignments that are due throughout the course. So believe me, this is set up, and once you get used to this way of learning, it makes more sense, and I think you're going to feel very comfortable. Reach out to me if there's any questions, concerns. I know some of you already have, and I appreciate that. I truly do. So as you know, if you look back at the left-hand tool tab, there's a place for office hours. You come to my office hours, just give me a call, we can Zoom, whatever helps you the most. That's what I'm here for. And I'll talk to you soon, and I hope you have a great week. And welcome back to Mercyhurst.